Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss applications of trigonometry, class 10, exercise 12.2, problem number 5. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. Click this I button to learn introduction to trigonometry and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 12.2, question number 5. A wire of length 18 meters had been tied with electric pole at the angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground because it was conveying a long distance. It was cut and tied at the angle of elevation 60 degrees with the ground. How much length of the wire was cut? Let us see the solution. What information is given in this problem? So, a wire of length 18 meters. So, length of the wire is given by 18 meters and one electric pole is given. So, the length of the wire is too long. That's why some piece they cut. So, after that they tied, it is making 60 degrees angle. So, how much they cutted the wire we need to find. So, here this is the pole, electric pole. This is the length of the wire. 18 meters. So 18 meters length of the wire, it is making the top of the pole, it is making, how much it is making? 30 degrees angle it is making, elevation angle. So after that they cut the wire. So how much they cut? So for example x meter, for example this total length is 18 meters. So the cutting wire is, for example you can take 3 meters means remaining wire, how much it is? 15 meters. 18 minus 3 equal, we are getting 15 meters. Same as it is. So how much they cut, that one we don't know. That one we are taking as x. So total length of the wire is 18. So how much it is now? That is 18 minus x meters wire is left. So that 18 minus x meters wire to they are tying again. So it is now making, it is the angle of 60 degrees it is making. So here this is 18 minus x meters length of the wire. So we need to find how much length of the wire was cut. So how much the wire is cutted, that one we need to find. See here, this is A, B, this one you can take C, this is D you can take. So here AB, what is AB? Let AB equal height of the electric pole that is H meters. Next BC, what is BC? BC equal length of the wire that equal 18 meters. Let length of the wire removed equal x meters. So some wire we removed, that is x meters we took. Next remaining wire you can write it. So that is BD we are taking. BD equal length of the remaining wire that equal 18 minus x meters. The elevation angles equal, the elevation angles equal 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Now I am taking triangle ABC triangle I am taking. This triangle I am taking. In triangle ABC, angle C equal 30 degrees. C equal 30 degrees means this is the angle, this is the side opposite to angle 30. This is the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse. What is the trigonometric ratio? That is S. That is sine. So sine 30 degrees equal opposite by hypotenuse. So sine 30. What is the value of sine 30? That is 1 by 2 equal opposite is AB by hypotenuse is BC. 1 by 2 equal AB value is H by BC value is 18. This 18 you can transpose. 18 by 2 equal H. 2 1 the 2 9 the. So we got here H value we got it. H equal 9 meters. So what is H? H means that is the height of the electric pole. Now write it here. Therefore height of the electric pole H equal 9 meters. We got. Now this triangle you can take it. ABD triangle. ABD triangle in 60 is the elevation angle. This is the side opposite. This is the hypotenuse. So in triangle ABD, angle D equal 60 degrees. 60 means sine 60 degrees equal opposite by hypotenuse. Sine 60 value we know that is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 equal opposite is AB by hypotenuse is BD. So AB value is H, BD value is 18 minus X. So root 3 by 2 equal H value now we got it, that is 9 by 18 minus X. Now just you can take the cross multiplication. Root 3 of 18 minus X equal 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Now you can multiply root 3 into 18. 18 root 3 minus root 3 into X. Root 3x equal 18. This 18 you can transpose to left. This one you can transpose to right. 18 root 3 minus 18 equal, this minus becomes plus root 3x. Root 3x. Now here 18 root 3, here this is the 18. So in this we need to take 18 is common. So you can take 18 as a common. 18 we took the common means root 3 minus 1 is remained, that is equal to root 3 into x. So here 18 how we can write it? 6 3s are 18 we can write or not? So 6 into 3, this is as it is root 3 minus 1. This root 3 you can transpose to left. Root 3 we are getting equal to x. Root 3 1 the root 3 is a 3. So 6 root 3 is remained now. So 6 root 3 into root 3. So 6 into as it is root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 6 root 3 into 1, 6 root 3 equal x. 6 3 is 18 minus 6 of root 3 value we know that is 1.732. 732 equal to x, that equal 18 minus 2 6 2 is 12, 18 19 42 43.616 10 equal x. So 18 minus 10.392. So 18.00 10.392. Subtract now. 8 here 0, here 9 means 3 6, here 7. So x equal 7.608 meters. So what is x here? What we took x here? We took that is remove. How much wire is removed? That one. So therefore the removed wire equal. This is the conclusion. Here only you can continue. But here space not there. That I am writing here. The length of the wire removed x equal 7.608 meters. This is the solution. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.